What's up, guys? Fresco BK live here at Stadium Goods, and we're located on 47 Howard Street, Manhattan, Soho area. So please feel free to pull up. Got a special unboxing look for you guys today. Yeezy strikes again with another pair of 350s. So we have the Yeezy 350 Clay. We've talked about the Hyperspace. We've talked about the True Form, but today we're talking Clay. So say less of all this talking. Let's get straight to these shoes. So we have the standard 350 box top, which I'm sure you guys are used to seeing at this point. But please let me know what you think in the comments. I think this colorway is pretty cool, but here we have the Yeezy 350 Clay, also released with the Hyperspace and the True Form. And thank you guys for liking and sharing all of our videos and checking out our Yeezy 350 videos. But here we have the upper of this shoe. It's pretty much all tonal, predominantly dominated by this clay colorway. So you'll see the Primeknit Upper here throughout the entire upper. We have the clear translucent line that runs through the entire upper right there. We have the midsole, which features a slightly lighter colorway, so it's a little bit lighter than the clay colorway. To me, looks like a peach or like a neon kind of orange color. And as we get to the back pull tab, same like peach neon orange color that we have here. We have, of course, the hang tag, which is on the left foot, fully tonal clay colored laces. Once again, the Primeknit that I alluded to before. It does have slight hits of, I want to say, a sail colorway throughout this clay. As we get to the outsole, fully translucent. Also the clay kind of peach colorway there. We have the boost right here. This boost is actually pretty soft. It feels a little bit softer than the rest, but maybe I'm crazy. And then here we have the insole, which reads the adidas Yeezy, which you guys can see right there. So here's one last look at the Yeezy 350 Clay. And as I mentioned earlier, the Hyperspace and the True Form released previously. So this one is an upcoming release, but of course we got to hit early at Stadium Goods. And please let me know what you guys think in the comments. Which one do you prefer? Do you prefer the Clay? Do you prefer the Hyperspace or the True Form? We have all three available right here at Stadium Goods, and we're located on 47 Howard Street, Manhattan, Soho area. So please feel free to pull up. Thank you guys once again for liking and sharing all of our videos on Facebook and YouTube and every other platform. Please make sure you guys follow at Stadium Goods on all social media platforms. Download the Stadium Goods app. It's available on iOS and on Android. And if you have any questions or inquiries regarding anything sneakers and or Stadium Goods, please visit stadiumgoods.com. I am Fresco BK, and salud.